Hello everyone. This is the continuation of the Unreal Engine project tutorial. So today you will learn about how to import the static mesh in the Unreal Engine project and scale it properly. So the way I do it is like before doing this is the third person template as you can see here. As you can see the third person template, and it's also with the with the player import also. Okay, so just like we need to create a before importing we need to create a level. So you just go to the this section, sorry, file section and the new level. Okay, and you click on the basic, so you have this template. Okay, this basic platform. Okay. Okay, right now what you need to do is kind of like okay, this is like you need to create a new folder and station building, sorry, you need to do the hyphen in every part of the letter, and you need to do the again the hyphen, station building maps, maps, maps. Okay. Okay, so something like this, and you need to press Control S. Control S will bring you this dialog box to save a new map. So you just find the location, the station building maps here, station building maps, and the save. Okay, so this is the save file, that map file, or in the Unity is called the scene file. Unreal is in the map file. Okay, now is the importing process. So you just click on the new folder and go to the station building hyphen fbx. Okay, so just go to this folder and you just go click on import, and then you go to the work folder and you go to the where 3D model asset, and you go to the under construction, ready for texture. Okay, ready for texture, this one, and you go to the upload file and you go to this one. This one is the modular station building. Okay, click on open. As soon as you click on fbx open, make sure that you see this one, that on the top of the menu of the dialog box there is import, that is skeletal skeletal mesh. Okay, we don't want that skeletal mesh. We don't want that, we want static mesh. Okay, so what you need to do, sometimes if you click on import all, then the mesh will be skeletal and you have to do it another way. It's that way is not it's a very inappropriate way. Okay, so convert and you need to delete and all the things. So before doing that, you need to do that, convert it to the static mesh. Actually it depends on the project, but right now I require the static mesh, and maximum time is fbx importing, and everything it's called it's need to be the static mesh. Okay, every time. So what you need to do is click on skeletal mesh, click on the this section. So as you can click on this one, see the import is static mesh. Okay, import is static mesh. You just click on to you know to know something about this topic. So it will take you to the browser, but we need to untick this box, skeletal mesh. We don't want this, so just untick this. As soon as we untick this, this is the this is the static mesh. You see the static mesh, okay? And then go to the advanced section, and you need to do the combined mesh. If you require, is sometimes it's like a project requirement that you need to do you need to combine the mesh as it is, like from the 3D modeling software. You want as it is, or you need to do it separately. Okay, so I want combine. Okay, so like click on combine and then import. See what happens. My project will be imported as it is, like with the material, and this one nothing, just clear, and click on this one. And as you can see here, this is the mesh. Okay, and now when you drag and drop this one, you see, and we have to, location, we have to do it 0 by 0 by 0. Okay, and we need to do it like this, and you see the project is imported correctly with a static mesh. Yes, you need to kind of like a match the thing. Sometimes it's with the grid, so you need to off the grid. And okay, as you can see here, the mesh is, or the model is imported correctly with the materials. As you can see, the white material balls, or material slots, whatever you're gonna call. So like this, we are seeing that, okay, our model has been imported correctly, and now we need to scale it. Okay, as it is it's kind of we will use it in a level design, so we need to scale it. Remember, every component, every materials, or every component, whatever especially the 3D models or 3D assets, needs to be scaled properly. So how can we do that? We do it with the help of mannequin. So like we have to go to the content, and the characters and the mannequin, and here is the meshes. Okay, like how I do that, you just click on you just go to this, and you bring one mannequin here. See how or you just bring one mannequin here on the floor. See how big it is. So obviously this is your measured scale, the mannequin. Okay, so you need to scale up your model. So something like this, go to there, and you need to up the 2 by 2 by 2. Okay, as it is, you're gonna do this. Okay, and you need to scale it again. You need to place it again. You need to place it again, something like this. Okay, so you need to bring up the mannequin again. Okay, here, go to here, and right now I think the mannequin is okay. Not okay, we need to scale further. You see, we need to scale a bit further. So like 2 point like 2.5 to 2.5, something like this. Oops, our floor needs to be scaled up also. So it's like 2 by 2. Where is our scale? Oh, sorry. 8. Okay. This one is 12 by 12. Okay. Right now. And then we have to up our asset like this. You need to do this one as long as you are not in a proper scale. Okay, so something like this, and you need to do the uh, okay, just mat on the floor and bring up the mannequin again. Oops, bring up the mannequin again, see how it is. Yeah, it looks like, yes, this is the correct size. This is the correct size. Yes. Now we can have a sort of, yes, you look at the feet and you look at the height. So yeah, this is kind of a correct size because the door height is from the head to door height is approximately 2 feet or more than, maybe more than 1 feet. So it's like this. So this is the correct size. And also you can place one mannequin here. So look at this. This is the waist size, and this is the wall. So something like this. Yes, I think now is okay. Now is okay. 2.5 scale is okay. So you just place the characters and measure the scale. Yeah, yeah. Now look at from the far that your model or your uh, go to put them in a position like, okay, something like this. Yeah, I think I am satisfied with the scale and the model, a static model. So I think this is the size. This is the proper size. So this is the way I do actually after bringing the assets from the FBX or from the PC. I just need to scale it and scale it properly, and then do it correctly with the help of mannequin. Do it correctly with whatever it may be, maybe a props, maybe a full set of building like this one, maybe a city level thing. So remember, scaling up is a very important thing. Without the proper scale, without the proper proportion, you cannot do level design, or you cannot complete a project. Actually, it's always necessary, and you need to do that very carefully. So thank you guys. This is up to this tutorial, that how you can import the static mesh and how to scale it up. So I will come again in the next tutorial in the future time. So I will come again. So thank you, and keep supporting me, keep supporting my channel, and please subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.